Namaste children. In this video I am going to explain exercise 5.3 third main. There are 10 questions but I am going to explain first 4 questions. So let me start with the first question. So here given A equals to 5, D equals to 3, AN is 50. So I need to find N and Sn. So in this main there are 10 questions. Every question is different from each other, and by seeing the data you have to analyze which formula I had to apply. So this is how, if you are perfect in this main children, next coming questions, that is word problem statement questions, will be very easy. Now tell me, by using A5, D3, AN 50, first you think about how I can find N. Whether I should start Sn first or N first. So naturally without N we can't find Sn. So let me find first N. So use this An. So An is given, An equals to 50. So as you know An formula, expand it, A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 50. So once you observe, whenever you start the question, see the variables. A is variable, N and D. There are 3 variables. Out of 3 variables, if you know 2 variables, then only you can find the third variable. So check whether you know or not. A is what? 5. D is 3. So substitute A equals to 5, N minus 1 into 3 equals to 50. So on sending on RHS, it becomes 50 minus 5 divided by 3, that is 45 by 3. So N minus 1 equals to 15, N equals to 16. So now we got N here. So one question we found out. Now next we have to move for Sn. Now think, there are 2 formulas, whether I should go with first or second. So both are okay in this main, because we know A, D, N, An. So instead of first formula, if you go for the second, once you know An, you can use the second formula. When you use this formula, little simplification will be easy. So Sn, N you got 16. S16 equals to, that is sum of 16 terms. Even though he asked in the question Sn, means that it is S16, because we got N as 16. N is 16 by 2 into A is 5 plus An is 50. 2 8s are 8 into 50 plus 5, 55. So 855 is a 440. So we found out N and also Sn, nothing but S16. Now let me move for the next question, second one. What he has given here? Given A is 7, A13 is 35. I should find D and S13. Again, once you think, with help of A13, can I find D? Think once. So as you know, A13 is 35. A13 can be written as A plus 12D. You can see here there are 2 variables, A and D. So I already know A. A is 7. Substitute. 7 plus 12D equal to 35. So send 7 and 12 on RHS. So it becomes 12D equals to 35 minus 7. 12D equals to 28. So D equals to 28 by 12. That is 7 by 3. So 1 D I found out. Now I should find S13. You can see here I should find S13. So again I can move for the next second formula. Sn equals to N by 2 into A plus An. So in place of N put 13, because I need to find sum of 13 terms. N is 13 by 2, A is 7 plus An is 35. So after simplifying I will get 13 into 21, that is 273. So we got sum of 13 terms is 273. And next third question given A12 is 37, D is 3. I should find A and S12. It is same as the above question. A12 is 37. Expand, you can write A plus 11D equal to 37. You know D, substitute. 11 3s are 33. So A equals to 37 minus 33. That is A is 4. So I got A as 4 now. And I should find S12. So as it is how I did above question, same. Use second formula. Sn equals to N by 2 into A plus An. S12, in place of N you write 12, because I got 12, N as 12. So 12 by 2 into 4 plus 37. Cancel 2 6 are 37 plus 4 is 41. 41 into 6 is 246. Therefore, we can conclude sum of 12 terms is 246. The last question in this video, children. Fourth one. Given A3 equals to 15, S10 equals to 125, find D and A10. Little bit, I feel everyone you're feeling confusion, I think, because he has given A3 and S10. There is no link between A3 and S10. But I should find A10. Can I use directly S10 and A3 to find A10? No, children. First, let me find D. So, expand. A3 equals to what? 15. A plus 2D equals to 15. So, here A and D are two variables. Once you observe, you don't know D here. D also is question mark and A also he has not given. So, both are unknown. A and D, two variables we don't know. Then how to find? So, you can recall your previous classes. So, whenever we have two variables, one equation if you get, we need one more equation so that we can find the unknown variables using elimination method. Now, I got one equation, A plus 2D equals to 15. So, don't do anything, just take it as 1. Now, you have S10. This also you use, you will get one more equation. So, Sn, I can't use here second formula because I don't know A10. He even is asking to find A10. Instead of A3, if he had given A10, then I can use here. So, I can't use second formula. So, use first formula, children. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, you can substitute 10. 10 S10, n is 10 by 2 into 2a plus n is 10, 10 minus 1 into d. You don't know a and d, keep as it is. 2 5s are 10 and S10 as you know in the given question 125. Substitute in place of S10 125 equals to 5 into 2a plus 90. So here you have a binomial multiplied with 5. Never multiply 5 inside. Once you check on the left side what number you have. So you can 125 is divisible by 5. So better you send to left side. It becomes division, that is 125 divided by 5. After cancellation you got 25 equals to 2a plus 90. So write in an equation form, that is in reverse it and write 2a plus 90 equals to 25. So you can observe, children, here I got first equation a plus 2d equals to 15. Second equation is 2a plus 90 equals to 25. So 2 equations we got. So when I explained in the previous classes about elimination method, I explained you the coefficient of any one of the variable should be same. So here a coefficient is 1, here a coefficient is 2 and here d coefficient is 2 and d coefficient is 9. So we don't have any coefficient same, so that I can eliminate. So make the coefficient same. Now you think before you start which you want to eliminate. So I want to eliminate a. So what is the coefficient of a here? 2. So here I will make coefficient of a 2 by multiplying throughout equation by 2. So I will multiply now. 2 into a. So multiply equation 1 by 2. 2 into a 2a and 2 into 2d is 4d and 2 into 15 is 30. So I multiplied. Whenever you multiply or divide anything, you have to do for whole equation. So second equation write as it is. Now you can see, even though the coefficient of a was not same, so I made it same so that I can eliminate. So now subtract. Subtract, change the signs. Plus becomes minus, here also plus becomes minus. 2a and 2a gets cancelled. 4d minus 90 is minus 5d equal to 30 minus 25 is plus 5 because the bigger number sign is plus. And d equals to 5 divided by minus 5. So d is minus 1. So I got d as minus 1. Now what you have to find actually? You need to find d and a10. So already I got d. Now I should find a10. To find a10 I need a also. So I don't know a now. So substitute d equal to minus 1 in equation 1. So this is your equation 1. a plus 2d equals to 15. A plus 2 into d is what? Minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is what? Minus 2 equals to 15. Minus 2 comes this side, it becomes plus 2. So a I got 17. Now at last we have to find A10. So what is A10 formula? A plus 9d. So A10 equal to 17 plus 9 into d is minus 1. 17 minus 9 is 8. So we found out 10th term of this AP is 8, and also we found out d equals to minus 1. So with this I completed 4 questions of this main. Still 6 more questions are there. In the next session I will complete, children. Thank you.